Good morning, grade 2. Welcome to EVS class. Learners, as you know, we have to do the worksheets today. Now, worksheet number 7. Based on chapter 7, healthy and clean. Yes. Read the sentences and complete them by writing one or two words. Wash your hands before and after meal. Always wear clean clothes. Use a handkerchief to clean your nose. Wash your eyes with clean water. Take a bath every day. Yes. Write T for true and F for false statements. Keep your chest out and head high while walking. T. Keep your toys scattered on the floor. F. We should wear clean clothes. T. Health is the state of being beautiful. F. We should comb our hair with clean comb. T. Now fill in the blanks. The words are chew, posture, healthy, straight, bath. Dash is the way a person holds his body. Posture. Second, our back should be straight. Exercises keep us healthy. Do not dash your nails. Chew. We should take a dash every day. Bath. Look at the pictures. Tick the pictures showing good habits. Brushing teeth. Good habits? Yes. Right. Boys bathing? Right. Always wear iron clothes? Right. Washing eyes with clean water? Right. And this? Don't bend your neck. While sitting, your back should be straight. Wrong. Now, worksheet number 8, based on chapter 8, safety rules. Write T for true and F for false statements. Never go alone for swim. T. Never stand on the footboard in a bus. T. Always play on the road. F. Play with a matchbox. F. Do not play with sharp things. T. Now fill in the blanks with the words Q, cross, road, moving, playground. First is always play in the playground. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Third, never try to get into a dash bus, moving bus. At bus stop, wait in a queue. Never play on the road. Look at the pictures and tick for the good habits and cross the bad habits. Okay? Yes, in first picture, people are standing in a queue at the bus stand. Right. Second, swimming with an adult. Right. Yes. Don't touch electric wires or switches with wet hands. Pros. Don't play with matchstick. Pros. Yes, cross the road at zebra crossing. Right. Now look at the road signs and write their names. First is, what is the symbol? School ahead. And second is, it means no entry. And third is no horn. And this symbol means railway crossing ahead. This is worksheet number 9 based on chapter 9, My Family. First is fill in the blanks with the words parents, big, fast, families, children. Okay. First one is parents look after their children. Children and dash make a family. Parents dash can be small, big or joint. Families. In a dash family there are more than 2 children. Big family. The dash generation shows the grandparents. First, write T for true and F for false statements. Parents look after their children. T. Children cannot help their parents. F. Parents earn money for themselves only. F. In an ideal family, everybody helps at home. T. Cooking food is just mother's duty. T. Now, match the following. First one is mother cooks food. Where is mother cooking food? B. Number 2, father goes to office. Match with D. Third, mother cleans house. A. And now, fourth one, children water the plants. Number C. Okay? Now, check yourself. Tick only those which you do at your home. Learners, this exercise you have to do yourself because you know better what do you do. Okay, learners, these worksheets have been completed. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.